What up, guys? Welcome back, man. Welcome back to Herbs class and 5 more minutes of math. Oh, that probably looked like a 4, but I meant 5 more minutes of math, man. This is fractions, right? We started our talk about fractions in the last video. We're going to finish off our talk about fractions in this video, right? Part 2. Remember what part 2 was about? Yeah, different denominators, man. I remember. I heard you, Mr. Herb. What about it? They got different bottom numbers. Well, let's pull it up here. Let's talk about it. Like this? Ooh, yeah, like this, man. Listen, okay, there's a 4 down here, and there's a 3 down here with Mr. Herb. We just multiplied by the one bottom number before, and there's 2. This is what you do. You take those 2 numbers and you multiply them, yeah. And then you multiply the entire equation by that number. In this case, 4 times 3 is 12, so I'm going to multiply the entire equation by 12. Now, let's quick refresh about what you do multiplying a whole number of times a fraction. Remember that whole numbers a fraction also. It's going to look something like this. Yeah, but don't forget those whole numbers are all over 1. Yeah, and don't forget how we multiply fractions. We multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms, like this. Yeah, 12 times 5 on top is 60. 1 times 4 on the bottom is 4. And 60 divided by 4 is 15. Exactly right. Same thing for this one. 12 times 2 on top is 24. 1 times 3 on the bottom is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Exactly right. And on the other side, we didn't have any fractions to worry about. So 12 times 6 is 72. No more fractions. Add 8 to both sides. Divide by 15. Answer. Yeah. Let's talk about one more situation. Okay, woo, this is interesting, right? Notice how this fraction line takes up the 2x and the minus 4. So this is one fraction right here. Think about it more like this. Yeah, all that goes together, right? So there are actually 2 ways to do this. Let's talk about the first way. 2 different denominators. What should I do first? Yeah, multiply those denominators, and then I multiply both sides by that. Yeah. Exactly right, exactly right. So now let's talk about what happens to these numbers. 15 divided by 5. This 15 is outside of these parentheses, so this 15 is necessarily by itself. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Exactly right. And on the other side, yeah, exactly right. 2 times 15 up top is and 3 times 1 on the bottom is and 30 divided by 3 is And now I can just distribute this 3, solve. No fractions. Yeah. Let's talk about the other way I could have did that problem though. Okay, when you have this situation where you have one fraction equal to another fraction, you could also, cross multiply. Now cross multiplying looks like this. I will multiply these 2 diagonals. And what cross multiplying will do for me is it would give me a simpler equation to solve with no fractions. Right, but you got to remember this 3 gets multiplied by everything up here. So it's almost like I can take that 3 and put it outside those parentheses, making sure I distribute that 3 times everything. And then this 5 gets multiplied times the 2. So my new equation would look like this. Yeah, distribute, solve, no fractions. Man, I hope this helps, man. If you need help with something else, man, let me know. Get the video up here. Thanks for checking it out. I'll see you next time. Oh, yeah.